Hey guys, welcome back to Retro Ride Garage. Got Mike here. Okay, so we got a lot of guesses on what this car could be. Why don't we show them what it is? What do you think?
Let's do it.
All right.
I'll come around, Anthony. If you want to, let's just like fold this every 2 feet or so. Get it up and over. There we go, perfect. Thank you. Around our mirrors.
All right, there it is.
So we just got done hauling this beauty back from Mount Pleasant, Michigan. And what do we have here, Anthony?
We have ourselves a 1993 Cadillac Allante in very good condition.
Think it's retro enough for you?
I think it's retro enough.
It's pretty 90s.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Hey, good morning, man. What's going on, dude? Well, it looks like we got us another adventure to go on today, huh?
We do. This should be fun.
Awesome. All right.
Excited.
Well, I'm ready. Got your coffee?
I do.
You got to pee? You got to do anything?
No, I'm ready to put some miles under our belt.
All right, man. Well, let's get loaded up and let's head out.
All right, cool.
The 1993 Cadillac introduced the final year of the Allante, a luxury roadster that was designed to compete with European brands like Mercedes-Benz. This two-seater convertible was notable for its unique development process. Bodies were designed and built by Italian coach builder Pininfarina in Turin, Italy, then flown 4,600 miles to Detroit for assembly via specially outfitted Boeing 747s, earning the nickname the Flying Allante. In total, around 21,000 units were built between 1987 and 1993. With a $60,000 price tag, the 93 model came with significant upgrades, including a powerful 4.6 North Star V8 engine, producing 295 horsepower and 290 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 6.4 seconds, which was impressive for the era. While it never achieved the sales success Cadillac hoped for, the Allante has gained a cult following over the years, appreciated for its rarity, unique design process, and connections to Pininfarina. Oh my God. Hey dude, I am so hungry. What?
Is that your lunch?
Want some? Want an apple slice? Yes, it's been about almost 4 hours now, right? I think we've been on the road.
About an hour left to get to the barn.
Mount Pleasant.
Yep, Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant, Michigan. So what's our mission today?
So I'm really excited about today. We have 2 cars that we're gonna go pick up, and we got something different than you're used to seeing, but it's a very cool car. She has a 1993 Cadillac Allante with only 8,900 miles on it. So under 9,000 mile car. Looks to be really nice from the photos, but obviously haven't seen it in person yet.
So I'm kind of excited to check these out.
Yeah, and something a little different we're doing today is because the seller told me both cars are runners drivers, and she's pretty confident they would make the trip about 300. We're looking at like 293 miles, right? And she's confident both cars would make it, so we brought one trailer today, and we'll see if that was a good or bad idea. I think the plan is going to be to actually load the Cadillac.
I would like to put on my golf pants and hop in the Allante with the top down, because it is a convertible, and kind of cruise down the expressway.
Is
but
it a golf pants cop?
I don't know, is it? I don't know.
I think it's more of a old white-haired lady in a flowery dress.
Maybe.
So you could.
Cadillac Allante, 2-seater convertible. What do you guys think? What would be the ideal outfit for those? Like, drop a comment, I'd be curious. I'm going with golf pants.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think the idea was the Allante actually has really low miles on it. So we're gonna finish lunch and we will continue this mission very shortly. Talk soon.
Just gonna give the owner a quick call here.
Hi, Mike.
How you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Pretty good. I was just giving you a ring to let you know we are about an hour away.
Okay.
And I got your voice message, but I didn't get a text message with, where you wanted to meet up. We're coming up 131, but then it's
Let's see.
Oh, yep, you'll be taking M20 then, I think.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we are taking M20.
Okay, so when you get to a little town called Remus,
Okay.
you're going to take 131 will take you probably to M20 unless it takes you some back road.
No, it looks like it's not that big. We're just a pickup truck and a trailer, and it looks like we are taking 20 right past 66 through Remus.
So what I'd like to do, so to call me when you are in Remus.
Okay.
When you reach that destination, and then I will go park by the entrance to our subdivision.
We plan to try to drive one of the cars back because we only have one trailer.
Okay, well, you can drive the Allante.
Yep. Okay, sounds great. Thanks.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, 291 miles later, we have made it to Mount Pleasant, Michigan. We are currently following the owner, and we are coming up on it here. So we're going to do a little drive up video here in just a second.
Okay, all right. I just started out a while back, and it was great. And I drove around the neighborhood.
Okay.
I have a neighbor whose employee was the guy who did all the work on the car.
Oh,
So
okay.
he collects cars too, my neighbor.
Oh, okay.
So he keeps them. He has a big garage. So
Yeah.
he checks it out. He said, "Just go have fun with that."
Yeah. That's an awesome garage floor.
Yeah, it is
I've
nice.
never seen that, but it makes sense.
Husband loved that. So
Yeah.
just keeps it. And I do food.
Yeah.
Was the green chosen by chance for a Michigan State kind of a thing, or?
Daughter went to Michigan State.
Ah,
We love that color. We read about that.
it's gorgeous.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
we look
So
for
this is-
the green.
Okay. So it's an Allante. It says Gold Edition.
I saw that, yeah.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, it looks to be in really nice shape.
It's a beauty.
The one thing I was going to ask you on this is, do you know how the top goes up and down?
Yes, we did it, and
Okay.
we had to move it.
Okay, because I have no idea either. But
And
is it part mechanical and like part automatic and
yes,
part
you
manual?
have to. Yeah.
You got to like pull the releases or something?
You get the look.
We can always YouTube. Oh, we can YouTube. I found a YouTube actually that explains it.
Did you?
So,
Okay.
I did, yeah.
Did you already get an idea?
Yeah, it took us a couple seconds, my daughter and I. I mean, I'd say a couple minutes.
Yeah, right here.
Wow.
Oh, and here's other keys to the DeLorean.
Okay.
Here's the Allante.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Because that big fat one goes to the trunk.
Oh, okay. Is there more than one set of keys for this?
Well, I'm looking for another set.
Okay.
There might be one. Here's the other key that I don't know if we had it made or what.
I guess-
Here, you want to hold that? And,
Okay.
all right.
Should we go ahead and start it up, maybe?
Yeah, start it. Sure.
I'll get in here and start it up.
I've got that.
Started immediately. Excited about that.
All right, so oil looks pretty good?
Yeah.
All right.
Oil looks good. I'll check the coolant. I mean, again, this one, it's a possibility if we have trouble with the DeLorean that this thing will be going on a road trip today, but otherwise, that looks like it's got coolant in there. This would be Dex cool, I'm sure. Yeah, and right now it's probably just gonna get up and down the street and then onto the trailer, I think. We'll figure out, get this thing
You see
strapped
this little
down.
badge down here?
That is one expensive little badge. So that means this was a coach-built car by Pininfarina. The body was built in Italy. And then we're gonna do a little more research on this, but the story I heard, I have a customer of mine who owns a DeLorean and a Allante, and I called him to do a little research. He said GM actually had custom outfitted 747s to fly the bodies into Detroit to complete the drivetrain and assembly of these cars. But
That's amazing.
they were competing with high-end Mercedes at the time, and it was a coach-built car and Italian-bodied. So it does look very similar to a Eldorado in some ways, but this is a much higher-end car. with a Pininfarina body.
She checks out pretty good. So we have some beautiful photographs here of the cars. So the Allante is here. And then here's a gorgeous Thunderbird. What year was that again? 57. And then here is the DeLorean. I love these pictures. These are really cute.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thanks.
The car says, "Good morning." All right, so my first impressions are, this car is beautiful. My second impression is, holy space shuttle. It's like a cockpit in here. Very cool though. It does have, you have your climate control, your driver infotainment center, symphony sound. I'd like to see what that's like. But yeah, so let's have a little ride here. All right, so my first impressions are driving this thing is amazing. 1993, 8,000 miles on it. It really drives like a brand new car, honestly. What a beautiful ride this car is. I mean, of course, it's Cadillac. Anyway, we just took it for a quick drive around the block just to kind of, you know, give it a little exercising. And we're gonna line it up to get it on the trailer here. And we'll get her loaded up. All right, dude. So, what do you think? We have a Cadillac and a DeLorean.
The condition of the two of these cars I am thrilled with.
Yeah.
It's, the Allante is amazing. It's like a time capsule of 1993.
It is.
Unbelievable. The inside, I've never seen a driver's seat that unworn. It looks brand new.
Yeah. With almost 300 miles to go, I couldn't help but think about the life this Allante led before we came along. Did the previous owner take part in the Allante car community and clubs? Was it routine to put the top down on warm Sunday mornings and go for a cruise on these same Michigan roads? What kind of adventures laid ahead for this beauty? What sort of fun facts would we learn as we dove into the Cadillac world and learn more about the Allante? This adventure is just beginning, and I cannot wait to see what is in store for us. Well, that wraps up our first episode of the Cadillac Allante series. Stay tuned. We're going to be getting into detail on the car, and we just might find a few hidden treasures inside the car while we're at it. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. And again, we want to thank you guys so much for supporting our channel on Retro Ride Garage. We have a lot more plans in store for this channel, so please stay tuned, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.